Protecting my family and my home is top priority for me. So when I find something that really works, I want to share it with you guys. So that's why I picked up an Arlo essential camera and home security system. And these DIY solutions are just what I need to keep my family and my home safe from the outside in. So check it out. My summer plans, they really got me on the move. So with my Arlo essential camera, I can keep an eye on my yard no matter where I am. So the camera has 2K resolution, 130-degree field of view, integrated spotlight, and it has night vision camera, so I can keep an eye on my yard day or night. Inside, I set up the Arlo security system to safeguard my home and check in through the Arlo Secure app. I can get alerts when something happens and take quick action with 24/7 emergency response that sends emergency services to my camera location, even if I'm away on a trip. The keypad sensor hub also features one-tap emergency response and a built-in siren to deter intruders, arm home, arm away, and standby buttons. These all-in-one sensors are really helpful, and they really pack a lot of tech into a discrete sensor. They offer 8 detection functions, so I know if a door or window opens, there is a leak under my sink, my smoke alarm is going off, or a light gets turned on while I'm away traveling. If you're heading out for a summer trip and you're in need of DIY security solutions like the Arlo Essential Camera and Home Security System, just head on over to arlo.com. Use my code, it's Blashoff15. That's gonna save you on your next order. Be safe, everyone.